guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another influencer unboxing. Now I did not expect this box because I didn't get any email or anything, but I just heard my doorbell ring and then it was like, and I just literally looked out to my door. I was like, oh, it's an influencer box. So I actually did just go on my influencer app to see if they updated it to see what it was. So I have an idea what it is, but I want to share with you guys. I think this is my first box that I'm getting something like this in particular. Yes, so I got a snack box. Now, this is the first time I've gotten any snack boxes from Influencer. So, yeah. Like I said, I go through, every time they send surveys and they send different companies, I go through what the companies are. And I saw this company, so I was like, I'm interested in trying this cookie brand. So, this is actually a cookie brand. It's called Partake. So when I open up the box, as always, they give you the little card and the cookies. So just a little information about Partake. The founder and CEO is Denise Woodard, and this is her, I guess, and her daughter. And it says Partake, super delicious snacks that are vegan. Are also gluten-free, vegan, and allergy-friendly, which is good. So if you have any allergies, I don't have any allergies to nuts or anything, but this is good for people who do have any allergies like that and who are looking for gluten-free options. And it's vegan as well. So Partake was founded by Denise Woodard after her daughter was diagnosed with several food allergies. Wow, so those with and without dietary restrictions can snack with confidence. And back here is just showing me that there is birthday cake and chocolate chips. So I don't know if those are the only two types of flavors that she does have, but and also, as always, what Influencer wants me to do to tag and everything, all of that good stuff. So I want to actually show you guys, and this is something I guess I can do on camera. This is one box I can actually show you guys on camera, right? So this is what the box looks like. It says Partake Top 10 8 allergen-free, vegan, and gluten-free. So it says, honest ingredients and pure fun for all. Here at Partake, we believe that life is meant to be lived to its fullest and that food is best shared with good company. We make super delicious snacks from the earth's finest quality ingredients. They're free from the top 8 allergens and made with artificial colors and flavors so your family can eat safely and just deliciously good to the last crumb. Denise Woodard, mom/founder. And a portion of their profits go to charities that support the 12 million food insecure children throughout the U.S. So for ingredients, the calories for, 3 cookies is their serving size. Calories, sometimes I read the serving size. I'm not going to lie to you guys, but I just want to read this for anybody who's probably looking for these type of things if they're vegan or they have allergies. Calories are 140, and the ingredients is gluten-free flour blend, organic light buckwheat flour, cassava flour, gluten-free oat flour, tapioca flour, organic fair trade cane sugar, non-GMO sunflower, gluten-free oats, rainbow sprinkles, sugar, potato starch, maltodextrin, rice oil, natural colors, paprika extract, turmeric extract, beef extract, spirulina extract, sweet potato, red radish, carnibia wax, tapioca starch, water, sea salt, tapioca fiber syrup, baking soda, vanilla extract, and rosemary extract. So, and Partake's Foods actually in New York. It says distributor, so I guess they're in New York here, where I live. And then they have a couple of social medias. So, I will taste test this for you, but I kind of want to do my video as well because, I'm actually on my influencer app, and so it says, welcome to the Partake Cookies Voxbox. Get started by testing your products and completing the campaign activities. Honestly, I could do all of this today. So 1 is review on Influencer. 2 is post a pic on Instagram with you and your cookies. So normally I'll probably take a photo with cookies here and do that. And number 3 is a bonus to post on TikTok. So since I have TikTok, why not? So I will do that first. I'm going to actually do the post on TikTok first, and then I'll come back for you guys, if that makes sense. and do it that way, because so I can get a different video, because TikTok is different in terms of landscaping and making videos. So I'll be back. I will taste test this on camera for you guys to let you guys know how I like it. The birthday cake cookie. Alright, so I did my little TikTok. So I'm gonna eat one more. Serving size is 3 technically, so I could have 3, but I'll have one more. They taste really good. Like, I'm not even lying. If I this is the thing about me. I've tried some snacks because I got some snack boxes before, and I will tell you, like, it tastes nasty. No, these taste really good. I don't know what she puts in it. I mean, I told you the ingredients, but I'm just saying, like, it just had like a nice taste cookie. It doesn't taste too heavy either. It's kind of like, let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. So it's not a soft cookie. It's definitely like a harder type of cookie. So it depends on like your preference if you like soft cookies. Honestly, I prefer harder cookies. I don't know, what do you call them when they're harder? There's a difference, because I'm thinking about kind of like, if you ever had like Chips Ahoy, for example, they have the soft cookies, but they also have the hard one. I don't like the soft ones because they break so easily, and then also they tend to, I feel like, I don't know, they just break easily. Whereas this is like a harder texture, so you have to like bite into it. But yeah, they did say it's crunchy, but I like it. I'll taste it again for you guys. And you can see, like, I don't know if you guys could see, but like there's different colors that show like the I guess the parts that was to make it like look like a birthday cake, if you will. So I'll eat it one more time. Hopefully I don't got crumbs in my mouth, but honestly, I'm glad I chose to opt into this box, because reason being because I have a sweet tooth, if you didn't know this, and this is a good healthy option for those of you guys who are like me, who likes chocolate. I don't know, I've just always been like that, and I try not to, but I have a sweet tooth, so this is the perfect option because it's healthy. Probably than the regular like Chips Ahoy's, and I mean, I'm just using Chips Ahoy's as a reference. Honestly, out of cookies, I normally like eat Oreos, if anything. But yeah, something that's gluten free, that's also helpful, allergy free, because are a lot of people that do have allergies. So I think this is also good for those people, because you know, I feel like there always needs to be something for everybody else. So this is like the perfect brand. And so yeah. Thank you, Influencer. Thank you, Partake, for sending me these products in exchange for my review. I'm about to go put all the reviews, take a photo, do that too. Yeah, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next one. And hit the notification bell as well so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Now I'm going to finish this cookie. Bye.